Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about skincare and we are going to address few skincare issues and then we will talk about solutions. So let's start with skin type. My skin type is dry and the major issue that I face is dullness, and there is visible pigmentation around certain parts of my face, like around my mouth or my forehead, which is pretty common in Indian skin. And I have always done a lot of research around the ingredients and the products that work for these issues. Now, one of the ingredients which is very potent and loaded with antioxidants is vitamin C. So including a vitamin C based serum in your skincare routine is definitely going to help a lot. That's what I was thinking, because vitamin C is full of antioxidants, which means it's going to protect the skin from oxidative damage which is caused by UV rays. So this is going to work on so many issues, like it's going to brighten up the skin, it's going to take care of dark spots, it's also going to even out the skin, and it also has anti-aging benefits, like it enhances the collagen production in the skin. I like to use vitamin C in serum form because serums are highly concentrated and the molecule size is smaller, so which means it penetrates deeper. And I have been using vitamin C serum for some time now to notice visible result in my skin. So these days I'm really loving Garnier's Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum. The serum has such a lightweight texture, it just sinks into the skin immediately. It has this water-like texture, which means it's going to work for all skin types. It just sinks into the skin and it doesn't make your skin greasy or tacky at all, which makes it perfect for all year round. Be it summer or winter, you can use it.
Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum has 30x vitamin C,
Which not only brightens up your skin, it also works on fading dark spots and pigmentation. It also evens out the skin. You can see visible results in just 3 days. I'll quickly show you an experiment. Here is a glass and I'm going to add a little bit of iodine solution, and then I'm going to add few drops of the vitamin C serum. As you can see, the solution is turned into white. So this represents the neutralization of oxidative action. It also contains natural ingredients like Yuzu lemon and backed by green science. So this is the packaging. As you can see, it comes in this nice glass bottle and it has a dropper which makes application really easy. The texture is milky and very light on the skin. Now how I would like to apply this is I clean my face and then put 3 to 4 drops on my face, and then I just tap into my skin. I don't rub it or massage, I just tap it into the skin and it immediately gets absorbed, leaving this nice smoother texture behind. So this serum doesn't contain paraben or sulfate, which means the serum is made of more natural ingredients and backed by serious green science. It is a clean formulation and you can apply it twice daily, in the morning and night. After applying it in the morning, make sure you follow up with a good sunscreen, and in the night follow up with a good moisturizer. It works on all skin types, tones and textures. Women of any age can use this. You should have vitamin C serum in your skincare routine if you struggle with dullness, dark spots, uneven skin tone, and also as a good anti-aging serum. As you can see, this is how my skin looked 3 days ago and this is how it looks after 3 days of using Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum twice daily. This is a 50 ml bottle, which means you are going to get a lot of product at a lesser price. So the serum comes in 4 packaging: 7 ml for 129 rupees, 15 ml for 225 rupees, 30 ml for rupees 449, and 50 ml for 875 rupees. So I will highly recommend you guys to check out this amazing product. I'm going to link it in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out and include in your skincare routine.